In today's video, we are going to be looking at the different ways one can enter a position, one can open a trade on MT4 or MT5 platform. First, you have to understand what's happening in the market. So you can either choose to buy or sell at the current market price, which is what we have here, or you can choose to place your orders. Placing orders, you can either decide to maybe buy when it comes, the price rallies down to this level of support. So what you are going to be placing here is your buy limit. Okay, so all you simply do is you go to your execution, you hit your execution button at the top right, you go to your buy limit, right? Then you enter the price. The easiest way of entering or placing orders is to simply pick your rectangular tool. You pick your rectangular tool, you rally it down to the point you want. You hold down the rectangular line, then you copy these points, because each line is drawn according to prices. So at this particular rectangular line is drawn at this price, not the current price, sorry. So you copy that, then you go to your buy limit, right? Then you paste it. Then you can now set your corresponding stop loss or take profit. Okay, so that's all for placing a buy limit. The next one you have here is the sell limit. Sell limit simply means you want to sell at a price higher than the current market price. So maybe you are looking at the current market price to move to this point, maybe this point of resistance. You're expecting the kind of resistance at this point, so you want to sell at this level. So what you simply do is just to go back to your rectangular tool, pick the exact price you want, hold it down, then you copy the price, and then you go to your sell limit, you paste it, then you set your stop loss and take profit. It's as simple as that. Then the other kinds of execution or orders we have the buy stop. Buy stop simply means you want to buy at a price higher than the current market price. Buy limit is selling at a price lower than the current market price. Buy stop is buying at a price higher than the current market price. All you have to do is copy your price, then you set it to the buy stop, then you paste it. There's a particular kind of order that mostly confuses people, which is the buy stop limit and the sell stop limit. But it's actually very simple. The buy stop limit simply means you are placing a buy limit at a price higher than your current market price. Now let me go over it. Typically you place your buy limit at a point. Sorry, this is giving me a challenge. Typically you place your buy limit at a price lower than your current price, but now you want to place a buy limit at this point. Buy limit is different from buy stop, right? Because when you place a buy stop here, a buy stop simply means once the price gets to this point, this 115.27, once price get to this point, what buy stop simply means is you want to open your position, you want to go long. So immediately price gets to that point, you are going long. But now you are expecting a rebound at this point. So what you want to place is you want to place a buy stop limit. So what will happen now is the price will have to go past this point, right? Then you are expecting to rebound. So once it rebounds at this point, that's when you want to buy. Then your order will be executed. Remember, for buy stop limit, your price will have to go past the limit you place, then rebound, then go further upward. That's what buy stop limit is. Then We also have the self-stop limit. Is still the opposite. You are expecting the price to go past this limit, then rebound before you want to open your position.